Well, I don't know why, but it's New Year's Day and it's like 60 degrees out, so everybody's doing outside stuff. So I'm cleaning the old shed here, trying to get a lot of the outdoor stuff inside before the snow falls. We've been getting super lucky and we have no snow. But a little update on a few of the bikes. We have the eBay dirt bike here. I had issues with the rear brake caliper, but I literally just took the whole rear wheel off and put a whole new mountain bike brake setup on it. I had to change the rotor, the caliper, the whole thing. And then right after we get that done, she gets a flat tire. So we're gonna have to take the whole thing back off again and change it out with another 17-inch dot rated tube and tire. The tire is just so smoked that it punctured right through the tire into the tube. I tried using Fix-A-Flat. We got a full can here and it didn't do anything. It filled it up and it leaked right out. And we, sometimes I pump it up just so she can come out and ride with me, and it lasts about maybe 10 or 15 minutes and it gets soft again. But right now this thing needs some attention. But all in all, the thing's still running great. My daughter wants the new Tau bike that I built with the LR small block, and I was maybe thinking about taking the front end off of this bike and putting it on the other bike, because the other bike's frame is a dirt bike frame, so it would be made for this front fork. It would fit right on. But for now, we're going to keep them separate and try to keep them both up and running in case we have company over. And there's really no other issues. This battery's been really good, considering it's like a generic China 18650 pack. I think it's 72 volt, 18 amp hour. But we've had no problems with it, especially with her light butt on there. She's getting bigger, don't get me wrong, but it still pulls her around just fine. This is like a super old hydraulic setup. Those are Magira Julies. If you look those up, they're probably over 20 years old. I have a bunch of vintage stuff that I got from a collection of a buyout of Veloci's. All in all, the bike's pretty bulletproof, and since we got the brakes working, she still does like to ride it. But this rear tire really put a flat in the situation, so she's now upgraded to my new bike, which still isn't even finished yet. There's no rear brakes on that one. But bike is still awesome. No complaints.